I understand is that ganito po yan. There is a certain Mary Grace Piatos, pero pseudonym ang ginamit niya. It is a real person because she accepts money. And I believe that this person is a confidential informant under sa DepEd noon. Okay, let's go back. First is that we know for a fact that the confidential funds given to the DepEd kay Vice President Sara noon, hindi po yun requested but given from the funds ng presidente. Okay, share yan sa'yo. Tapos binigay, malapit na, 11 days lang maubos, no? So, we know that fact. Now, bakit po merong kailangan na investigate or magkaroon ng intelligence sa mga eskwelahan? Because, number one, alam po natin na yung po mga bata, lalo sa mga state universities, nare-recruit po para po pumunta sa bundok ng mga NPA, para maging NPA. We have seen yung 19 na namatay and other mga children na mga bata, no? I will not say children, mga bata pa, mura pa ang pag-iisip. Kasi yan po yung mga bata na yan kasi ang kanilang silakbo ng damdamin malakas, no? And kanilang sense of maturity hindi pa po ganap, no? So ibig sabihin, yun po ang kanilang i-manipulate, ito pong grupo ng mga NPA, and then they will recruit them and bring them to the mountains. Kaya nga, nangyari, maraming mamatay. So, I believe that one of the reasons for this confidential funds is to infiltrate this, no? Hanapin, magkaroon pa anong nangyari so that the government could prevent this from happening. Now, we have seen the Tacloban incident. And we know of a fact that needed din part of that if the DepEd has a confidential funds on this purpose could be used and utilized, no? Not only to gather information through yung mga confidential informants, but to stretch the intelligence networks to determine and prevent this kind of issue. So ibig sabihin po, correct po yan. Allowed po talaga dapat yan, no? Kasi the president himself, kung siya magawa, pwede man. Ang ginawa lang niya, dinelegate lang niya doon kay BP. Nagkataon kasi siya ang DepEd Secretary. But he has that confidential funds to do that, no? To give it to hanapin niya doon para pasukin yung mga sa DepEd or sa mga schools and everything, no? So what I'm trying to say is that this person na kung tumatanggap po, siya po yung nabibigyan ng information, siya po yung nakakaalam po kung anong nangyayari, tapos nakaka-provide siya ng magagandang mga intelligence para ma-prevent yung mga ganitong bagay, kailangan magamit po siya ng pseudonym, yung hindi totoong pangalan.